includes the following counties.
Here we go, my radios are going off.
Yeah, I know.
Whiteside and Woodford. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Joe Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, Jackson County in east central Iowa, southeastern Dubuque County in northeastern Iowa, southeastern Jones County in east central Iowa, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 10 p.m. At 9:10 p.m., severe
What the fuck? Focus!
along a line extending from near Hazel Green to Cottonville to near Oxford Junction, moving east at 40 miles per hour. 911 dispatch has reported this storm has produced widespread downed trees and power lines in Dubuque County. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Impact, such damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Galena, Andrew, Menominee, St. Donatus, and Cottonville around 9:15 p.m. Spruce Creek Park, Smiths, Maquoketa Municipal Airport, and Buckhorn around 9:20 p.m. Bellevue, Springbrook, Council Hill, Bellevue State Park, Landing, and Galena Territory around 9:25 p.m. Scales Mound, Guilford, Lyons, and Blanding around 9:30 p.m. Hanover, Delmer, Wilton, Green Island, Shyville, Van Buren, Wootton, and North Hanover around 9:35 p.m. Apple River, Apple Canyon Lake, Camp Far Horizons, Reefville, and Canyon Camp around 9:40 p.m. DeWitt, Charlotte, Apple River Canyon.
Oh my God, shut up!
Fairgrounds around 9:45 p.m.
Shut up!
Savannah, Warren, Sabula, Mascot, Goose Lake, Mississippi Palisades State Park, Joe Daviess County Fairgrounds, along and south Sabula Lake Park around 9:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Lyons.
See it timed out. Fucking Lyons.
This is NOAA's weather. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, eastern Joe Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Jackson County in east central Iowa, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 10:45 p.m. At 9:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from north to near Center Hill to Camp Miss Elkton to near Goose Lake, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Freeport, Sterling, Rock Falls, Morrison, Mount Carroll, Fulton, Savannah, Lena, Stockton, Leonard, Warren, Garden Plain, Milledgeville, Fairhaven, Pearl City, Cheyenne, Cedarville, Davis, and Sabula. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms.
Shut up!
Leading to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.
There we go.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ogle County in north central Illinois. Western Winnebago County.
Oh shit! SVR for my county.
11 p.m. At 10:08 p.m.
SVR for my county.
Located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Monroe to near Pearl City to Andover. Moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Here, I'm gonna open my blinds.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Morris, Polo, Winnebago, Pecatonica, Forreston, Durand, Leaf River, Seward, Adeline, Chilland, Baileyville, Lake Somerset, and Harrison. This includes Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh shit.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ogle County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north
My county again.
until 11:15 p.m. At 10:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Durand to near Byron to near Forreston, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe.
Oh shit! I see lightning. I see lightning outside.
Mount Morris, Rockford Airport, Cherry
Here it
Valley,
comes.
Winnebago, Davis Junction, Durand, Stillman Valley, New Milford, Leaf River, Chilland, and Harrison. This includes Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, and Rockford Speedway.
Here, I'm gonna.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ogle County in north central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, eastern Winnebago County in north central Illinois,
Another one for my
western
county.
McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north central Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 11:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Roscoe to near Davis Junction to near Oregon, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Sycamore, Roscoe, Harvard, Marengo, Poplar Grove, Genoa, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Davis Junction, Kirkland, Cape Run, Kingston, Timberlane, New Milford, Lindenwood, and Monroe
Bro, that's
Center.
like the entire
This
Rockford.
includes Boone County Fairgrounds,
Whoa.
Rock State Park, Rock Valley College, and Rockford Ribbits Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in north central Illinois until 12:30 a.m. At 11:41 p.m.
Hold on, wait, I'm busy. Hold on, wait, I'm recording. Hold on.
Falls, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Amboy, Franklin Grove, Ashton, Paw Paw, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Lee, Compton, Stewart, Nelson, West Brooklyn, Harmon, Woodland Shores, Alvena, Lee Center, and Wekusa. Including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers
Yeah, that
78
thunder.
and 96. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 74. This includes Lee County Fairgrounds and Sauk Valley College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.